This is 2025 years of Iloilo history in 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Year 0. Panay Island is home to the OGs, the Ati people. No colonizers yet, no buildings, no traffic, just rice fields and river songs. 13th century, 10 Datas arrived from Borneo, made a real estate deal with the Atis. Bought Panay with a golden hat and necklace, and boom, barangays are born. Mid-1500s, Spaniards arrive. By 1566, Iloilo becomes Spain's second colony after Cebu. They build churches and plazas. Fishing villages become Spanish port towns. They teach us how to fiesta and to siesta. In 1855, Iloilo's port opens to world trade, sparking a sugar boom. Iloilo City is an economic center and becomes the second biggest trading hub after Manila. Iloilo had earned the nickname Most Loyal City. But in 1898, General Martin Delgado decides not be loyal anymore. In 1899, the Americans takes over Iloilo and modernizes the city with cars, schools, and English. In 1937, Iloilo is chartered as a city, regaining the nickname Queen City of the South. 1942, Japanese troops occupy Iloilo, bringing hardship and fear. Guerrillas fight from the hills until Allied forces liberate the city in 1945, freeing Iloilo but leaving scars. Post-war Iloilo rebuilds slowly as Manila and Cebu surge ahead. Dinagyang Festival starts in 1967, honoring Santo Niño and Ati heritage with vibrant dances. Iloilo endures martial law until the 1986 People Power Revolution. Late 80s and 90s, SM Delgado and Marymart got bigger. Gaisano City becomes the first supermall, which is immediately eclipsed by SM City. The 1990s and 2000s is truly a transitional decade. By the 2010s, Iloilo is booming again, a modern renaissance. The old airport transforms into Iloilo Business Park with shiny new offices, condos, and hotels. The river gets a scenic esplanade and historic buildings are restored. Today, Iloilo is one of the Philippines' fastest growing cities, blending progress with heritage. In 2025, Iloilo is a vibrant city of gastronomy that honors its past while striding into the future. And that's 2025 years of Iloilo's history in 2 minutes and 25 seconds.